English story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Palatu and household chores. Palatu's parents got up early in the morning and were preparing to go to the alms offering ceremony in the village. On the other side, I will also come along with you, Dad. You have to remain at home with your grandma, son. And you'll have to feed the young cow kept at home. Take care of the little goat too, son. Keep an eye on the Marion tree so that Marion plums can't be eaten by birds. And don't forget to feed chicken and ducks. If you can't manage to do the household chores alone, I will ask for help from Ko Fo Chet of the next door. It isn't necessary. The household chore is a mere trifle to me. I can do it. All right, we're off now, son. Grandma hasn't woken up yet. Meanwhile, Moo. You're feeling hungry. Don't worry. I'll go and bring grass. You're a nuisance while I am busy. You are asking for food. Wait a minute. Your turn will come after I've fed the cow. Quack, quack, quack. You are also feeling thirsty, aren't you? I will go and fetch it. Are you also feeling hungry? I will feed you now. I remember just now, I have to collect eggs. The household chore isn't as easy as I think. Oak oak oak, cock-a-drole-doo. Don't make sound, golden cock. I'll feed you too. Here it is, have nice grains. I've fed the animals, I'll take a rest for a while. What? Parakeets are stealthily eating Marion plums in the Marion tree. Hey birds, get away. There are quite a lot of household chores. I remember now, I have to boil rice in water to make rice gruel for Grandma. Meanwhile, clang, clatter. Oh, the cat is eating fried fish from the plate. Hey, go away. The pot of rice gruel is boiling. By late afternoon, Palatu's dad and mom arrived back home. How about the household chores, son? Could you manage to do them conveniently? Palatu gave a full account of what had happened. I've realized that it isn't easy to do any job one does not have practice. This is the end of the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.